The Belkin Difference. Pioneer in technology and innovation for over 35 years. Charge and sync any Apple Lightning device, including iPhone, iPad, and AirPods. Highly durable braided nylon exterior tested to withstand 10,000 plus bends. Compatible with iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS, Max, XR, X, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 6, 6 Plus, iPad, iPad Mini, iPad Pro, 2017 and earlier, AirPods, AirPods 2, AirPods Pro. Compatible devices: tablet. Connector type: USB Type-C. Charge and sync your iPhone and iPad, or transfer music, photos, and data from any USB-A port with an MFi-certified connection. Enhanced braided nylon provides long-lasting durability as well as a premium look and feel to complement your devices. Testing to 10,000 plus bends assures longevity. Based on internal bend test at 60 degrees. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality. Belkin's has good quality. And it is durable.